Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Wake&Tech. I'm back with another tutorial video on how to download Snapchat application on your Android device. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start off by opening up your Play Store in order to download the application. Also, make sure you're connected to a strong internet, turn on your Wi-Fi or your cellular data and get connected. Once you do that, from the Play Store homepage, go to the search box at the top. Type in Snapchat in the search box. Once you make your search, you'll be able to see the application displayed on the next page. If you tap on the app, you'll be able to find further information about the app. To install the application on your Android device, tap on the install button in green. Your download has begun. Wait for a few minutes. After it is done, tap on the open button to launch the app open. That is how you can easily download the Snapchat application on your Android device. In order to create an account on Snapchat for the first time, tap on the sign up button and follow the instructions. If you already have one, tap the login button, enter your credentials and log into your account. That is how you can easily download Snapchat app on your Android. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial contents like this. Thanks for watching.